So today we're talking about communication. What does it have to do with the RV life? You might be surprised. Welcome everyone. If we haven't met, my name is Chris. I'm eager to help RV newbies and wannabes start planning and becoming RVers with confidence and know-how. If you haven't downloaded our free PDF, I'm going to put a link down in the description box below. And like I said in the preview, this is all about communication and why it's really important. As you can imagine, it is really important when you're traveling with more than just yourself. You need to talk to these people and find out what are their ideas. How many hours a day do they want to travel? What do they want for lunch? Do they want to go hike? Do they want to go on travels? Do they want to go to amusement parks? Do they want to go to museums? You need to have these conversations about what your life is going to be like and what you want to do when it is your actual life, when you're actually on the road. I know a lot of times I will have an idea and I won't completely communicate that with my husband or my daughter, and that can just cause irritation, and it can cause feelings to be hurt, and I think he'll understand this or she'll understand this, or I said it before and they heard me, or they knew I was talking about what we were doing today, and it could be a big mess that we don't even want to go into. So you have to remember, when you're traveling in a relatively small place, there isn't a lot of alone places except for your bedroom. My daughter likes to be in her room a lot. I'm with sciatic, sitting here trying to record this video and not scream, and my husband likes to be in the living room, but I have to be usually laying down most of the time. So right now we are alone, even though we do get together for meals. But you have to think about that. If you like to be alone a lot, think about maybe going outside and reading a book outside, or going to the grocery store and having your peace, or the library, or things like that. And think about different ways that you can have your alone time. I know some moms get in the closet, close the door, and do their, they read their Bible in there and get alone with God, or they're able to read a book or have a thought without it being interrupted and not being in the bathroom, because you don't want to take an extra long shower because you have to think about your water use unless you're hooked up. So that all falls into place when you think about the first part and what type of RVer you want to be, because you need to talk about that with your significant other, with your kids, with, you need to tell the other people that are significant in your life, this is what we're thinking about doing. They may want to try to say, well, no, don't do that, because they want what's best for you. And sometimes their best sounds more like don't do it, negative, negative, negative. But you need to remember, this is why I want to do it. These are the reasons. And remember your why. You need to know what your why is. And keep that in the forefront of your mind, and hearing that, and just calm their nerves and their worries, and explain to them what's going to be happening, and that you're not going to lose touch. And you can do, videos back and forth or things like that. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell with a notification so you're always notified when we're going to be doing a new video. If you missed last week's video, I'm going to have it right here on the screen, all about downsizing and how that can be really emotional, and some practical ways on how you can do it, and what do you need to get rid of, what do you need to keep, what do you do with your mementos, things like that.